Why do 70% of online businesses focus on SEO? Because the right target keywords can skyrocket their visibility. When you type a question into Google like, "What is an example of a target keyword?" you're using a target keyword yourself. These are specific words or phrases that your potential audience types into search engines, aiming to find exactly what you offer. So, what makes a good target keyword? First, relevance. Your keyword should match the content on your page. For example, if you're a bakery, best chocolate cake recipe could be a golden keyword for you. Next, search volume. It's about balance. Too much competition and your site might get lost. Too little and not enough people are searching for that term. Tools like Authority Solutions can help you find that sweet spot by analyzing keyword trends and competitor success. Lastly, intent. Keywords can be informational, like how to bake a cake, or transactional, like buy chocolate cake online. Understanding the intent behind searches can significantly enhance your SEO strategy, tailoring content that meets your audience's needs right when they need it. So, ready to boost your site's visibility and drive more traffic? Start by integrating smart, strategic target keywords into your content. And remember, Authority Solutions is here to guide your SEO journey every step of the way. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on notifications to never miss out on future tips and tricks to power up your online presence.